Welcome back to English Grammar Tales. Today we are at a restaurant. Watch Daniel and Lily order food, make comments, and learn useful English phrases. Let us go! Daniel and Lily walk into a restaurant and sit by the window. The waiter comes over to greet them.
Lily, I am so hungry. I am glad we have come here. This place looks very nice.
Me too. I love this restaurant. The food is always delicious. Let us sit down and look at the menu.
Good evening. Welcome to the Green Fork. I am Tom, your waiter. May I get you something to drink? I would like an orange juice, please. And could we have a glass of water too? Thank you. Of course. Here are your menus. I will be back shortly to take your order.
The waiter leaves. Daniel and Lily look at the menu together.
Everything looks so good. What are you going to have, Daniel?
I am thinking about the grilled chicken. They also have garlic bread as a starter. Shall we share some?
Great idea. I think I will have the pasta with tomato sauce. Pasta is my favorite. And maybe dessert later too?
Absolutely. I love chocolate cake. I really hope they have it.
I knew you would say that. You always order chocolate cake, Daniel.
Because it is always the best thing on the menu.
The waiter comes back. It is time to order.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, we would like to start with the garlic bread, please. We will share it.
Of course. And for your main course? I will have the grilled chicken with salad instead of chips, please. No problem at all. And for you, miss?
I would like the pasta with tomato sauce, please. Is it spicy?
No, not at all. But I can add some chili if you like.
No, thank you. I will have it as it is. Oh, and do you have chocolate cake for dessert?
We do. Very popular. I will bring the dessert menu after your main course. Wonderful. Thank you so much.
The food arrives. It looks and smells amazing. Daniel and Lily taste their dishes.
Here you go. Enjoy your meal. This chicken is so tender and juicy. It is cooked perfectly. Try the garlic bread, Lily. Warm, crispy, and absolutely delicious.
So good. I could eat the whole basket. My pasta is incredible. The sauce is rich and flavorful. I love it.
I am so glad. I only have one small complaint. I wish they gave us more bread. Excuse me, could we have some more garlic bread, please? But of course, I will bring some right away.
Daniel and Lily finish their main course. The waiter comes back to check on them.
How was everything? Did you enjoy your meal?
It was absolutely fantastic. The pasta was wonderful. I will definitely order it again next time.
Everything was excellent. The chicken was the best I have had in ages. Please do pass on our compliments to the chef. That is so kind. Now, would you like to see the dessert menu? Yes, please. I will have the chocolate cake with vanilla ice cream.
I am quite full, so just a cup of tea for me, please.
Coming right up.
After dessert, it is time to pay. Daniel and Lily ask for the bill.
That chocolate cake was divine. So rich and so smooth. I am in heaven. Shall we ask for the bill now?
Yes. Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you are. Thank you so much for coming to the Green Fork this evening.
Thank you. The food was wonderful and the service was excellent. We will definitely be back.
This is now our favorite restaurant. Goodbye and see you next time. We would love to have you again. Have a lovely evening. Goodbye.
Great job! Today you have learned how to order food and drinks, make positive comments, and ask politely. Practice these phrases with a friend. Like, subscribe, and share English Grammar Tales. See you next time.